Namaste. Today we have a set ball for our chakra, 7 ball for each chakra. First, I will start to hitting the root chakra ball, that is note C. It sounds like this. Feel this sound pouring into your chakra. Your chakra is observing this sound, and this C note ball help you to balance your root chakra. Now we move to the second chakra, that is called sacral chakra, and its note is D ball. Feel it, feel the sound. Bring your consciousness in the second chakra and observe this sound. Now we move to the third chakra, that is called solar plexus, and its note is E. Its sounds is like this. Feel it in your solar plexus. Observe this sound. Slowly help you to balance your solar plexus. Now slowly we move to the another chakra, that is called heart chakra, and its note is F. Its sound is like this. Observe the sound in your heart chakra. Feel it. It is healing your heart chakra with your inhaling, exhaling. Now we move to the another chakra, that is called throat chakra, and its note is G. Observe this sound in your throat chakra. Feel it. It helps you to balance your throat chakra and gives you command in your speech. Feel it. Slowly we move to the another chakra, third eye chakra, and note is A ball. Feel it that you are deep into the spirituality. You have intuitive power. Just feel it. Slowly we move to the another chakra, crown chakra, and its note is B. Feel the sound. It is the highly conscious state. It helps you to bring the clarity in your mind. Feel it. Just feel it. So in this way, each chakra or each ball help you to balance or align your 7 chakra. So play it, feel it, and observe the sound. Thank you.